These state-of-the-art STEM learning environment SmartLabs at Ferris Intermediate and Ferris Junior High are new to the 2016-2017 school year in Ferris ISD.
In cooperation with Creative Learning Systems, both SmartLabs are designed and implements engaging STEM learning environments to build 21st century skills for students.
For an inside look at these exciting new SmartLabs, we go now to Jacket Nation News reporter Nathan Parker.
Claire and Cameron, installation crews spent time over the summer months installing SmartLabs at both campuses. SmartLab facilitators then spent time training and preparing the SmartLab for the new school year. The intermediate SmartLab is comprised of flexible work-learn stations called peninsulas. A typical peninsula can accommodate up to 6 students at a time. Overall, the layout is designed to provide a rich and diverse technology-based learning experiences for classes of up to 30 students. Learners explore science, math, and engineering through applied technology, also building connections to social studies, language arts, and other academic subjects along the way.
It is such an amazing opportunity for our kids to gain 21st century skills, but also to give them hope in a future, in jobs, and it's unbelievable. The SmartLabs are turnkey. Every single bit of curriculum, every piece that the kids would work with is in there.
Students develop foundational technology skills in mechanics and structures, robotics, circuitry, science and data acquisition, computer graphics, and publishing multimedia.
Words can't even describe to me how wonderful it is to see the kids, the interaction with each other, the collaboration, their excitement for learning. In the regular science lab, it's hands-on as well, and they're excited, but in here, the connections to their math and science and just taking it into 21st century skills, it's just, like I said, words cannot describe. The other day we were working on e-portfolios and Google Slides, and the kids were just, the whole class period, they were just amazed at what they could do and how they could change things, and being able to show their parents and their friends what they've done in class is exciting for them. Possibilities are endless, and every day there's something new, and no two kids are the same, so I'm constantly seeing something new and engaging with the kids.
Students learn how to develop project objectives and document their learning in e-portfolios, daily journals, and project presentations. Ferris Intermediate SmartLab Learning resources are organized around 7 areas of core technological competency. The result is a powerful STEM learning environment that engages learners of all abilities and opens new doors to academic and personal success.
Well, the people of Ferris really helped us buy the SmartLabs for the kids. That's really beautiful, that this is like the gift of the people, that the people of Ferris gifted this to these kids. And so I would encourage anyone who wants to see the SmartLabs, come see the kids in action. And just the joy that the SmartLabs have brought to the day. I watched kids line up today outside, and they were giddy as they were coming into the lab. And I was like, are y'all excited? And they were just, yes, and they couldn't wait. We're the only school district in this area, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, that has SmartLabs, and so that's kind of cool too. What we're hoping is that these kids that are in 4th grade right now, so they're going to have the SmartLab for 2 years. Then they're going to go have it in 6th grade, and then they can choose it as an elective in 7th and 8th. But we're hoping that if they do, that by the time they get to high school, we're ready for them.
Great things are happening at Ferris Intermediate in this new state-of-the-art SmartLab. Now let's explore the possibilities at Ferris Junior High. Installation crews simultaneously assembled this advanced version of the STEM SmartLab over the weeks leading up to school at Ferris Junior High. Once completed, campus facilitators prepared for the new school year during a week of training. Similar to the intermediate SmartLab environment, the Ferris Junior High SmartLab is comprised of flexible work-learn stations called islands, accommodating up to 6 students at a time for a total of 36 learners. Learning resources are organized around 8 areas of core technological competency: alternative and renewable energy, computer graphics, scientific data and analysis, robotics and control technology, circuitry, software engineering, mechanics and structures, and digital communications. Both SmartLabs at Ferris Intermediate and the Junior High include a wall-sized flowchart called the Learning Score, which provides a map to guide teams through the SmartLab program. Each team of learners will take a different path through while gaining exposure to each area of the SmartLab environment. In addition, the SmartLabs 70-inch LED display allows students to view presentations and engage in focused discussions and creative team brainstorms. Students explore, they problem solve, they collaborate, create, and they learn. It's what happens when we put educational technology where it belongs, in the hands of the students. Reporting for Jacket Nation News, I'm Nathan Parker. Clara and Cameron, back to you.